Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here from Team BRY, and today we are back with another video on the Oneplus Nord N100. Alright, so last time we did a quick unboxing and first impressions video of the cheapest OnePlus device, and of course we also talked about its internal specs. And like a lot of budget phones out there, the N100 features a low-powered chipset in the form of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460, which on paper does sound pretty unimpressive. Unlike most budget phones, however, the N100 does come with 4 gigs of RAM as opposed to the usual 3 gigabytes that you get on most entry-level phones, and 64 gigs of storage, which means that you'll be able to store a good amount of games on this thing. The N100 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is ideal for long gaming sessions. So in our earlier video, I did state that I was able to run a couple of games easily on the Nord N100, and so for this one, I thought that we'd try a few more games and see how well they run on this device. Now, OnePlus has also added a built-in gaming mode in the software, so I've kept that turned on by default, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so that pretty much does it for our little video. Generally, the Nord N100 will be able to run most games. Despite the slow silicon on board and the standard amount of RAM, I think that the device was able to perform decently on my games. However, on more intense titles, you will probably experience a lot more lag and frame rate drops, so do keep your expectations in check. For people looking for a casual mobile gaming experience though, the N100 is a decent option. We'll have more videos on this phone, so do stay tuned for those. As always, check out Team VRY for a variety of tech reviews, and once again, thanks for watching.